Hey, I am back with another cleaning motivation video. It's pretty messy in here. The whole place really needs a good clean. My friend Bronwyn is coming to stay with me tonight for a few days. If you are new here or you don't know who Bronwyn is, she's probably one of my first friends here in Toronto. I actually met her when she lived in Melbourne a few years ago, and then we caught up when I first moved here, which is almost 3 years ago now that I first originally moved here. And we caught up, had lunch, and she introduced me to a whole bunch of new people, which are all my friends that I have here. And sadly, Bronwyn moved away in February while I was back in Australia, so I haven't seen her since January, so I'm really excited that she's back to visit, but I need to clean because it's really messy in here and I don't want her to have to come and deal with my mess. So we're gonna do a cleaning motivation video. I have a few updates. I have this beautiful new orchid that my friend gave me for my birthday. I just don't know where to put it. It's so pretty and I love it. I'm a little afraid I'm gonna kill it, but I need to figure out where to put it in my home. And then I also have some fresh flowers. These are beautiful white roses I got from Rachel, Erin, and Darren for my birthday, and I love them so much. They also got me a bottle of rosé too, which I love that. That's like my favorite thing in the whole world. And then I just have a bunch of stuff that's out here in the kitchen that needs to be put away. Can someone please explain to me why my carrots go so bad literally within a day of bringing them back from the supermarket? I put them in the drawer in the fridge, and this is what happens. Am I not supposed to be putting them in the fridge? This has never really happened to me before. It happened the last 2 times I purchased carrots, and they're just going bad within a day, so I don't even get to eat them. So if anyone has any suggestions, that would be fantastic. But it's yeah, kind of a little mess in here. It's not too bad, but I do need to clean, especially my bedroom and my office, but we will get there later.
It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh!
The living room and kitchen are kind of done. I've been working from the couch for like the last few days, so I'm gonna leave that stuff there. I think my mat is not dry yet. There's still the wet patches, so I've cleaned my yoga mat because it really needed it, but it's just taking forever to dry. I bought this kit the other day when I was at Costco. It's a creative lettering kit because I've always wanted to creative letter, and I'm gonna go and put this away in the office. But it has all of these exercises that are really similar to the exercises you do when you're in primary school and you're having to learn how to write, and it comes with all these pencils and things, and I thought it would be really cool to try this art lettering thing, and it was only like 20 bucks. So it comes with books as well. So this is gonna be my new fun project. I need to put this into the office. And then Liz came over before and she brought me a bed thing for Bronwyn to sleep on. I'm gonna give her the office because I go to bed so early that if she wants to stay up, it might just be easier for her to have her own space to sleep in. And then I also have a hallway full of cardboard and stuff and shoes way down the end that also need to be cleaned. So I gotta take out the cardboard, I gotta go clean up the office, and keep going on with the cleaning.
Fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.
Time to come in and clean out the office and get it all set up in here. I have some clothes for my cleaner, a wardrobe clean out. I have some home decor, more clothes. This cupboard and this book is in here now, and then my printer is in the corner over there. Behind me, I have some more stuff on the floor I need to deal with. And I've moved my desk into this part of my office and I kind of like it in here, but I'm thinking I'll clear off everything from my desk so that Broma can put some stuff in here and like her bags or whatever she wants to do in here. Pack all of this stuff up on the floor, move all of this stuff probably to the front cupboard to give her lots of room and space in here, and then I'll be able to set up the bed.
Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down.
Office is all done, plenty of room for Bronwyn to put her things. I ended up moving my chair just out to behind my couch and I put the bed in this corner. There's still plenty of room for this door to slide over, and it also just means there's so much more room on the floor here next to the bed rather than having the bed up against this pillar and having less room everywhere. So that works. I am now gonna go and do the bathroom. The bathroom is always a mess. It is the one place where I can never seem to keep things organized because I just have so much stuff, and this entire cupboard down here is always a mess. But I need to pack all of that away, clean everything up, clean out the shower too because I've got some empty products in there as well. And then, you know, put in fresh bath mat, hand towel, all that sort of stuff. And also put away this stuff that I gathered from the kitchen before. There's just some like sample products and things like that. And then I also have to take this cardboard out as well. So let's do it.
Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love face. I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
Bathroom is done, it's all clean. I now need to just take out this cardboard and then I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna do my bedroom tomorrow, I think.
Let me love you. Baby, let me